Everything in fructose gets converted into fat to be stored as energy. But the metabolism of this fructose is where it becomes very, very dangerous. Your stomach cannot metabolize fructose. Large part of that metabolism happens in the liver. The liver converts all the fructose into liver fat, which is why you will see a fatty liver in kids.
1 minute, time for a biochemistry lesson. Major metabolism of fructose from sugar, fruit juice, fruits happens in the liver. Yes. Here, it is broken down to pyruvate and then converted to acetyl-CoA. If this acetyl-CoA is in very excess, only then it increases the amount of fat accumulation in the liver.
Be careful because sugar is fructose. Fructose goes to the liver, converts into liver fat, causes non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. The second stage, liver cirrhosis. After that, your kid will require a liver transplant.
अब डराना ही है तो मैं कुछ भी कह सकती हूँ, सांस मत लो, पानी मत पियो, खाना छोड़ दो, है ना? पर फ्रक्टोज मेटाबॉलिज्म टू फैटी लिवर, टू सिरोसिस, टू लिवर ट्रांसप्लांट, ये सर जैसे कह रहे हैं वैसे होता तो हमारी शायद 80% पॉपुलेशन आज लिवर ही खोज रही होती. थैंकफुली ऐसा नहीं होता. Here's why this reel is problematic. A quick search of fructose sources will show you fruits as the number one source. We have numerous studies which show that eating whole fruits, not fruit juice, is beneficial for better health for all, kids or adults. We don't need to be scared of fructose. While we agree with sir that we should limit sugar intake for everyone, kids or adults alike, scaring people with liver transplant nightmares is taking it to the extreme, है ना?